In this series of videos on Bookerville's housekeeping features, this one is going to focus on the administrative aspects of it. There is another video on the housekeeping app that you and your housekeeping staff can use in the field to report cleanings and inspections and also report damage, theft, and maintenance issues. To get the most out of this video, it's recommended that you watch that one first so that you have an understanding of the context of how housekeepers are reporting things to your Bookerville account. The first thing I want to draw your attention to for this is your Dashboard at a Glance tab. This tab is filled with a bunch of boxes that help you manage every aspect of your operation. There's another video on how to use this tab, and you might want to check that out because it shows you how to change the colors and even rearrange or hide these various boxes to customize it for your best use. For housekeeping, there are two that I want to focus on. The first is this one, which shows the actual clean and/or inspection notifications that have come in. When a housekeeper reports that a property has been cleaned or inspected, it appears in this list. It's pretty simple, and like all the boxes on this At a Glance tab, you can customize it to show what you want. You can choose to show only the reported housekeeping events for a single property instead of all of them. You can focus on only cleans, only inspections, or both, and you can control how far back it shows these reported events. The second one I want to show you is the housekeeping management box. This one lists properties in a similar way to the housekeeping app in that it shows upcoming arrivals and the housekeeping status of those properties. This one is interesting because you can click this real-time icon to open this up into a full screen version of it. Here it's showing you the status in real time. The page will refresh itself every 30 seconds automatically for 2 hours. You can reset this at any time by clicking the restart button. This is intended to help you watch and manage housekeeping activity on critical days, especially weekends when you're more likely to have transition days where one guest is leaving in the morning and another guest is arriving later that same day, and so the housekeeping staff has only a few hours to complete their tasks. Note that you can click on any of the arrival dates and it takes you straight to the booking details page for that booking. Here at the top, you can see the housekeeping status link. Clicking that takes you here. This shows you the complete history of reported housekeeping events in between bookings, and you can navigate this with the arrows. It starts by showing you the current booking you started on, which is in the middle. To the left or behind that is the previous cleans and inspects reported for this property. The yellow outlined one is the one it's showing the details for below. You can click on any of these items to make that item the one with the yellow focus, which has the details below. You can navigate this history by clicking these arrows on the left and right to go forward and backward in the series of activity. Ideally, and most likely, this is a series of bookings with reported cleanings and inspections in between each booking, and so in this way you can review the history of these. Next, let's have a look at your Dashboard Reports tab. Scroll down until you see these two green icon reports for housekeeping. The top one shows reported housekeeping activity, and it's pretty straightforward. Clicking these links take you to the same housekeeping navigation screen we just saw. The next report shows projected housekeeping activity for the next number of days or date range that you ask for. Note this one also has more filters you can use to narrow down the data. The results show the property, the relevant checkout and check-in dates, and an alert icon for days that are transition days. Note this one has a housekeeping checklist and also special housekeeping notes related to a specific booking. Let's explore that next and see how those are set up. If we go to the property setup page for a property, click the Emails and Templates tab and scroll down to this set of templates, we see the housekeeping checklist. Here you can enter whatever you want the housekeeping staff to focus on to remind them of the complete set of things they are expected to do for this property. This appears in the housekeeping app so that they can use it just like a checklist while they are at the property and reporting it cleaned or inspected. You can take this a step further if you like by going into a specific booking. In the Comments and Notes box, you can add a comment. In the Type drop list, choose Housekeeping. Then enter any notes for housekeeping specific to this booking. Doing this causes them to also appear in the housekeeping app for them. You can even put in special notes that apply to the arrival of this booking and/or to the departure of this booking. And those notes will also appear in the housekeeping app with labels to let them know that the notes apply to either the arriving or departing guests. One example of this might be instructing the housekeepers to set up the jacuzzi for an arriving guest when they are doing the clean inspect for the arrival, and then reminding them to do any special cleanup or shutdown of the jacuzzi when they depart for a booking where the jacuzzi option was selected. When the housekeeper is on location and using the housekeeping app, they see these notes. At the top is the generic housekeeping instructions checklist that we entered in the property setup page. Then below that, any special housekeeping instructions that were entered as the departure notes for the previous booking are shown. Below that, any special housekeeping instructions that were entered as the arrival notes for the next booking are shown. This permits you to have more nuanced control for special circumstances, and your housekeeping staff sees exactly what they need to be efficient and deliver consistent quality experiences for your guests. That completes our tour of the administrative aspects of Bookerville's housekeeping features. As always, we encourage feedback to help us continue to improve, add features, and make the lives of you, your staff, and your guests better. Thanks for watching.